We showcase the LW18 Mini Excavator from Shandong Haochen International Trade Co. Limited. See how this agile machine digs, grades, and maneuvers in situations where standard heavy equipment just can't fit. Perfect for agriculture, orchard work, trenching, and digging, landscaping, precision grading and tree planting, home projects, small foundation work and utility digging. Quick specs. Weight 1,260. Engine Kubota Laidong 1416P. Dig depth 2.1 meters. Tracks rubber protects your turf. Why choose Haochen? Factory direct. Competitive pricing from $2,400. Customizable. Choose your engine and attachments. Reliable. 12-month warranty and 24/7 service support.